Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of solo travel. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or planning your first solo trip, we've got tips and insights to help you embrace independence and discovery safely. Let's get started. Safety is the top priority when traveling solo. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or hiking through remote trails, being prepared can make all the difference. Here's a funny story. I once got lost in Tokyo and ended up at a local festival. It was an unexpected detour that turned into a delightful adventure. The vibrant colors, the music, and the friendly locals made it a memorable experience. While it turned out to be an amazing experience, it reminded me of the importance of staying safe. Getting lost can be fun, but it can also be risky if you're not prepared. Always have a plan and know your surroundings. Did you know that solo travel has increased by 42% in the past 5 years? More and more people are discovering the joys of traveling alone. It's a chance to explore the world on your own terms, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. With more people traveling alone, it's crucial to be prepared. Pack a safety kit that includes essentials like a first aid kit, a personal alarm, and a portable charger. These items can be lifesavers in unexpected situations. Always share your itinerary with someone you trust, stay in well-reviewed accommodations, and make sure your loved ones know where you are. This way, if anything goes wrong, someone will know where to find you. And keep copies of important documents. Losing your passport or other critical papers can turn a dream trip into a nightmare. Keep digital and physical copies in separate places for added security. Use apps like Google Maps to navigate unfamiliar places. They can help you find your way back to your hotel or discover new attractions. And travel safety apps like Citada to stay informed about your surroundings. These apps provide real-time updates on safety conditions, helping you avoid dangerous areas and stay safe during your travels. Remember, a well-prepared traveler is a safe traveler. Enjoy your solo adventures, but always put safety first. Picking the right destination can make or break your solo trip. I once chose Iceland for its stunning landscapes and found it to be incredibly safe and welcoming. According to a recent survey, 74% of solo travelers choose destinations known for their safety and friendly locales. Top picks include Japan, New Zealand, and Canada. Research your destination thoroughly. Look for places with low crime rates, good infrastructure, and positive reviews from other solo travelers. Websites like Solo Traveler World and forums like TripAdvisor are great resources. One of the best parts of solo travel is the freedom to do what you want. I once joined a cooking class in Italy, and it was one of the highlights of my trip. A study found that 65% of solo travelers prefer cultural activities and local experiences over typical tourist attractions. Look for guided tours, local workshops, and cultural events. Apps like Meetup can help you find events and activities where you can meet fellow travelers. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Your choice of accommodation can greatly affect your solo travel experience. I once stayed in a hostel in Barcelona and made friends from all over the world. Solo travelers often prefer accommodations that offer social opportunities. In fact, 52% of solo travelers stay in hostels for the chance to meet others. Consider hostels, guest houses, and Airbnb for a more social experience. Check reviews on platforms like Booking.com and Hostelworld to ensure safety and quality. Look for places with common areas where you can meet other travelers. There are a few common mistakes solo travelers should avoid. Once, I made the mistake of not booking my accommodation in advance and ended up spending the night at an airport. A report showed that 30% of travel mishaps could be avoided with better planning and precautions. Don't walk alone at night in unfamiliar areas. Avoid excessive drinking, and always keep an eye on your belongings. Trust your instincts, and don't hesitate to remove yourself from uncomfortable situations. Packing smart is crucial for a smooth solo travel experience. I once overpacked for a trip to Southeast Asia and regretted lugging around a heavy suitcase. Studies show that 50% of solo travelers prefer to travel with just a carry-on. This not only saves time at the airport but also reduces the risk of lost luggage. Pack only the essentials, use packing cubes for organization, and bring versatile clothing. Don't forget a portable charger, travel-sized toiletries, and a small first aid kit. For longer trips, consider doing laundry on the go. Staying connected with family and friends is important for solo travelers. I remember feeling homesick during my first solo trip, but video calls with my family made all the difference. 85% of solo travelers use social media to stay in touch and share their experiences. Staying connected can also enhance safety by allowing you to check in regularly. Invest in a good international phone plan or a portable Wi-Fi device. Use apps like WhatsApp and Skype for free calls and messaging. Keep a list of emergency contacts and share your travel updates with loved ones. Managing finances on the go can be tricky. During my solo trip to Europe, I quickly realized how essential it is to have a solid financial plan in place. I quickly learned the importance of budgeting and keeping track of expenses. Every penny counts when you're traveling alone, and having a clear picture of your finances can make a huge difference. A survey found that 60% of solo travelers use budgeting apps to manage their expenses. These apps can help you categorize your spending, set limits, and even alert you when you're nearing your budget. Staying on top of your finances can help you avoid unexpected costs and enjoy your trip without worry. By planning ahead, you can allocate funds for different activities and ensure you have enough for emergencies. Use apps like Trail Wallet or Mint to track your spending. These tools are user-friendly and can sync with your bank accounts to provide real-time updates on your financial status. Always carry a mix of cash and cards. While cards are convenient, some places may only accept cash, especially in remote areas. Having both options ensures you're prepared for any situation. Inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid issues with your accounts. This can prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity, which can be a major hassle when you're far from home. Be aware of currency exchange rates and ATM fees. These can add up quickly, so it's wise to research the best options for withdrawing money abroad. Some banks offer partnerships with international ATMs that can save you money on fees. Setting a daily budget can also help you manage your finances effectively. By knowing how much you can spend each day, you can avoid overspending and ensure you have enough funds for the entire trip. Regularly reviewing your financial goals and adjusting your budget as needed can help you stay on track. This not only helps you manage your current trip, but also prepares you for future adventures. Using travel-specific credit cards can also be beneficial. Many of these cards offer rewards, cashback, and no foreign transaction fees, which can save you money in the long run. Consider attending financial planning workshops or seeking advice from experts. They can provide valuable tips and strategies to help you manage your finances more effectively while traveling. With proper financial management, you can enjoy a stress-free trip and focus on creating unforgettable memories. Remember, the key to a successful solo journey is not just about the destinations you visit, but also how well you manage your resources along the way. One of the most rewarding aspects of solo travel is immersing yourself in local culture. I once attended a traditional tea ceremony in Japan, and it was a highlight of my trip. Research shows that 70% of solo travelers seek out cultural experiences. Engaging with local culture can provide deeper insights and create lasting memories. Learn a few phrases in the local language, try local foods, and respect cultural norms. Join local tours or workshops to gain a deeper understanding of the culture. Be open-minded and curious. Maintaining your health on the road is essential. Whether you're traveling for leisure or work, staying healthy ensures you can make the most of your journey. During a solo trip to India, I made sure to stay hydrated and eat healthily, which kept me energized for all my adventures. Drinking plenty of water and choosing nutritious meals helped me avoid fatigue and stay active throughout my trip. 80% of solo travelers prioritize their health by staying active and eating well. This means incorporating regular exercise into their routines, whether it's a morning jog, a yoga session, or simply walking to explore new places. Eating well involves choosing fresh local produce and balanced meals that provide the necessary nutrients. A little preparation can go a long way in keeping you healthy and happy on your travels. Before you leave, research the local cuisine and find out where you can get healthy food options. Pack snacks like nuts, fruits, and granola bars to keep your energy levels up during long travel days. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and get enough sleep. These 3 pillars of health are crucial, especially when you're in a new environment. Carry a reusable water bottle to refill throughout the day, and make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to recharge your body. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, band-aids, and any necessary medications. This can be a lifesaver in case of minor injuries or illnesses. Include items like antiseptic wipes, allergy medication, and any prescription drugs you may need. Be mindful of local health advisories and take necessary precautions. This includes getting any recommended vaccinations before your trip and being aware of any health risks in the area. Follow guidelines for food and water safety, and don't hesitate to seek medical help if you feel unwell. By taking these steps, you can ensure a healthy and enjoyable travel experience. Documenting your solo travel journey can be incredibly rewarding. I love looking back at my travel photos and journal entries to relive those memories. A survey found that 75% of solo travelers document their trips through photos, journals, or blogs. Capturing your experiences helps you remember the details and share your adventures with others. Take lots of photos, keep a travel journal, and consider starting a travel blog or vlog. Use apps like Google Photos for easy organization and sharing. Documenting your journey can also inspire others to embark on their own solo travels. Pause 3S. Now we will explore the hidden gems of solo travel destinations that are off the beaten path. These locations offer unique experiences and breathtaking views that are perfect for the adventurous solo traveler. Pause 2S. Imagine yourself wandering through the serene landscapes of the Faroe Islands, where dramatic cliffs meet the vast Atlantic Ocean. Or perhaps you find solace in the tranquil beauty of Bhutan, a landlocked gem filled with ancient temples and vibrant culture. Pause 2S. If you crave a coastal retreat, the untouched beaches of the Azores, an archipelago in the mid-Atlantic, await you. Here, you can immerse yourself in nature, from lush green forests to volcanic landscapes. Pause 2S. For those who seek mountain adventures, the remote valleys of Kyrgyzstan offer a perfect escape. Experience the nomadic lifestyle, trek through breathtaking mountain ranges, and camp under a sky full of stars. Pause 2S. These hidden gems provide not just scenic beauty, but also the opportunity to connect deeply with the local culture and traditions. They promise solitude, adventure, and memories that will last a lifetime. Pause 3S. So, if you're ready to embark on a solo journey that goes beyond the usual tourist spots, consider adding these destinations to your bucket list. Happy exploring. Pause 2S. Solo travel can be a transformative experience. Let's discuss how solo travel can help you grow as a person, build confidence, and create lasting memories. Pause 2S. Imagine arriving in a new city, where every corner offers a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Pause 2S. As you navigate through unfamiliar streets, you develop a sense of independence and self-reliance. Pause 2S. Overcoming challenges such as language barriers and navigating public transportation builds resilience and adaptability. Pause 2S. Each small victory, like finding a hidden cafe or making a new friend, boosts your confidence and enriches your travel experience. Pause 2S. Solo travel also allows for deep self-reflection. Without the distractions of daily life, you have the time and space to think, dream, and grow. Pause 2S. You'll find that the solitude of solo travel can be incredibly liberating, giving you the freedom to pursue your interests and passions at your own pace. Pause 2S. The memories you create while traveling alone are uniquely yours. Every photograph, every journal entry, and every story you tell will be a testament to your courage and adventurous spirit. Pause 2S. So embrace the challenges and rewards of traveling alone, and make the most of your solo adventures. The journey may be solitary, but the impact will be lifelong. As we conclude our journey, let's recap the key points of solo travel. Remember to prioritize safety, choose the right destinations, pack smart, stay connected, manage your finances, embrace local culture, and document your journey. Solo travel is an incredible opportunity to discover the world and yourself. Each adventure, each challenge, and each moment of solitude adds to the tapestry of your personal growth. So, take a leap of faith, explore with an open heart, and cherish every experience. Please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels!